Good morning out there in quarantine land. We just wanted to say thank you. Wait, I think we still have enough social distance, don't we? I don't need that anymore. Anyway, we wanted to say thank you to those of you that showed up either virtually or physically to become a part of our Get Growing family here at OrganiLock. Some of you are still messaging us about what we have left in the used trough department. We have 2 3-foot standard size troughs. We have a 10-foot trough that's on a stand, which is my back's personal favorite because it keeps you from having to bend over. We also have some mini gutter gardens left. These are with a metal base instead of a cloth base. And this is what we have left that we're liquidating from our garden. We also are offering DIY kits. These DIY kits can be made into 3-foot, 5-foot, or 10-foot troughs. These are the standard size. They require assembly. It comes with all the metal plates on the ends, the hardware, even the zip ties to put them together, okay? You have to paint the end plates and you need to purchase a pole of whatever length of trough you would like to make. You can go to your local hardware store and they will even cut the poles to length for you. And we'll be posting a video later showing you step by step how to assemble these. These kits are $40 each. We also have a few of our nice, healthy tomato plants here that you can purchase if you come in. They even have a few little blooms, some of them going already, so we have these as well. Then we have another DIY kit that is for our mini troughs. They look like this when they are put together. Okay. Again, easy to assemble, and they come with everything that you saw there. All the hardware, all the end plates, even the poles, the troughs, no painting necessary, everything you need to have your garden ready to go, including the soil. We're throwing in the soil also for this kit, and we're charging $35 for this complete kit. We would like to again say thank you to everyone who is becoming part of our family. We have this sale going on this week. We may extend it if we have inventory left, but we have it this week. Our retail hours will be on Wednesday and Friday from 1 to 4, and on Saturday from 10 to 1. If you call us, place an order by phone or online, and it's already paid for, we'll even take your troughs and get them labeled with your name so that you can just drive up, pick them up, and go, and avoid all social contact if that's better for you. Because again, ultimately, we want people to be successful in their growing. We want you to grow healthy food for a lifetime, not just during this hard time, but for a lifetime, for a healthier lifetime. So that's our goal here at OrganiLock, to serve you, to help you become successful. So, like we always say here at OrganiLock, until next time, happy gardening.